Hey, Brian here at ProTinkerToys.com, and this is one of the new items we have. It's called the Range Rocket, and it's a spinner missile. Basically, you push the button like this, and you get it to go here. Oh no, it's going. Oh no, I gotta get it on the... it's flying off. Oh no, stop! You're not supposed to launch it inside, number one. You're supposed to do it outside. Okay, Brian here at ProTinkerToys. Okay, now here's what we're gonna do. Outside, like you're supposed to do it. No, not that way. No, this way. Come back. Oh, yes. Perfect launch. Perfect launch. Did you see that? Oh, it's right in the water. Wonderful. My rocket is all wet. Oh, that really went well. What do we do for ProTinkerToys.com? For you, the customer. At ProTinkerToys.com. Spinner missile. Only at ProTinkerToys.com. Wayne, Ohio. Oh, gosh.